warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Dia Ayu Puspita. My student ID number is 192500849. And I am from class 192A06. Today, the topic that I will present is computer and hardware. We use this technology every day, every single day. But how well do we actually know it? Let's start with the basic definition. Definition of a computer. A computer is not just a tool for typing or browsing. Originating from the Latin word computare, or to calculate, it is essentially a high-speed data processing machine that converts raw data into meaningful and useful information for us. Now, as a data processing machine, how does a computer actually work? It relies for a four core function that happen in a sequence. First, receiving data or input, capturing commands such as when you type on a keyboard or click a mouse. Secondly, processing data or process, thinking, calculating, and executing those commands inside the system. Thirdly is storing data or storage, retaining and saving data so it isn't lost when the computer turns off. The fourthly is displaying result or output, showing the final result to us is like displaying text on a screen or playing song. To perform this for function, a computer cannot work alone. It requires the three main elements working together. If one is missing, the computer is just a lifeless object. The main elements of a computer. Hardware, the physical body of the computer that you can see and touch. For example, is processor, RAM, monitor. Software, the digital mind or soul of the computer. These are the programs that tell the hardware what to do. For example, is Windows, Microsoft Word, or Google Chrome for web browsing application. Okay, next, brainware, the user or human operator. Without humans or operate them, hardware and software are useless. For the example is students, teacher, or programmers. To wrap up this first section, a computer is a complete ecosystem of body or hardware, mind is software, and operator is brainware. Now, let's zoom in on the most visible element of all, hardware. Okay, the definition of hardware. Simply put, hardware refers to all the physical components of a computer, unlike software which only exists on a screen. Hardware is anything you can physically touch and handle. While the computer has general function, the hardware's job is to physically execute those digital tasks. The function of hardware: receiving, processing, displaying, and storing data. Hardware acts as the physical face from the digital workflow, from your fingers typing on a key to your eyes looking at a screen. Hardware bridges the physical and digital worlds. To handle these tasks efficiently, hardware is divided into 5 main categories. Let's look at them one by one. Types of hardware. First, input device. Tools used to enter data or comments. For the example is keyboard for text, mouse for navigation, scanners for converting papers into digital files. Next, process device. The core engine and brain. This determine how fast or powerful a computer is. For the example, is CPU or processor the main brain. RAM as short-term memory while working. VDA for handling gaming and video graphics. Output device. Tools used to present the computer's hardware to the user. For the example, is monitor for displays image and information, printer prints document or image, last projector for displays computer visual into a larger screen. Next, storage device. The digital vault. This is where your files, photos, and operating system are safely kept even when the computer is turned off. Example, hard disk for massive capacity, flash disk for portability, CD or DVD. Next, peripheral device. Supporting or optional device the computer can run without them, but they expand what the computer can do. For the example, a modem, because without it your computer works fine but cannot connect to the internet. The conclusion is a computer is an electronic device used to process data into useful information. A computer system consists of hardware, software, and brainware that work together to perform various tasks. Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer, such as input, process, output, and storage device, which help the computer receive, process, store, and display data. With the support of software and users, computer can make work faster, easier, and more efficient in everyday life. Okay, that's all from me. I am sorry if I made any mistake. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.